You must stay at home.
Marla says, good afternoon, and Mrs Snowdrop speaking.
Oh, it's me again. I've been waiting blooming ages in this flaming queue. There should be a queue for those that don't have to wait in the queue.
We got other patients waiting beside you, Mrs Stopathome.
And if I die in the meantime, I know how long I'm going to live till I flaming die. Please, I've been waiting.
Not you again, Miss Stopathome.
I'm afraid so. It sure is me again. Oh, and as for this, I drink wine because the doctor says I shouldn't keep things bottled up.
Mrs Stopathome, you shouldn't drink wine because it's very bad for your liver.
I cannot wait. If I hyperventilate, I could spread this virus even down the phone, even wearing a mask. And you lot make sure you wear masks on the phone too.
I'm sorry, Mrs Stopathome. The computer says no.
I need to see the doctor. I need to see him now.
Sorry, the doctor's very, very busy, and if you want to see the doctor, you have to take a ticket to see him.
You know my predicament?
Yeah.
Please, come on.
All right. The doctor will be with you shortly.
I couldn't care less whether I live or die. No, they couldn't. Come on, come on. Come on. I've been trying for ages. There should be a queue for those who don't have to wait in the queue.
Well,
And as for me drinking, I drink wine because the doctor says I shouldn't keep things bottled up.
Well,
and I know how long I'm going to live till I flaming well die.
That's not what we meant by that advice. We're not supposed to drink copious amounts of alcohol to deal with your problems. How much are you drinking a week?
You know, I've lost count. I really haven't kept a check on it.
Mrs Stopathome.
And I feel like a pair of curtains.
Well, pull yourself together then.
And also, I keep thinking I'm Bugs Bunny or Mickey Mouse or Tom and Jerry.
Well, that sounds like you're having a bout of Disney spells.
Oh, you think they are? Oh, I don't know. But the thing is, I don't feel like I can keep on waiting any longer to get through. Please, can I see you? Please come out to the house.
Pandemic on. Unfortunately, Mrs Stopathome, if you're projecting any symptoms of COVID-19, we can't come and see you. Our advice is you sit down, self-isolate. If anything worsens, take 2 paracetamol and a glass of water, not a glass of wine.
You're trying to kill me off.
No, of course not. We're working very hard to try and make sure you stay safe. The NHS is overwhelmed. Boris himself said it.
Oh, please come out.
Mrs Stopathome, we can't.
Oh, caid y geg.
Mrs Stopathome, dwi'n gallu siarad Cymraeg hefyd.
I cannot wait. If I hyperventilate, I could spread the virus even down the phone, even wearing a mask.
Oh, Mrs Stopathome, there's a very distinct difference between a computer virus and a virus. The two aren't comparable.
And you lot make sure you wear masks too on the phone.
I have a mask on. I'm wearing the appropriate PPE.
And if I die in the meantime, I'll blame you lot.
Well, I don't think that's very fair.
And
I've given you great medical advice, 2 paracetamol and a glass of water, and then I sit down.
And I can't rely on my husband for support. He's with Busty Barbara. Again.
Busty Barbara? Well, that's my wife.
You what?
Your husband's with my wife.
How can it be your wife? Well, he never told me that she was married. Apart from he never even said that he was having an affair.
Well, this is very troubling.
It's your wife?
Yes.
And my daughter and boyfriend are no good. They must have seen something going on. They never said anything either.
Well, I feel very left out of the loop, if truth be told. No, hey, put the wine down. No, we to just water only for this.
I feel so bad.
No,
I
put the
feel
wine
really,
down.
really bad.
Are
Oh,
you breathing
I'll have to
okay?
hang on, I'll have to put this mask on. Oh,
Oh, yes.
spilled some wine down my mask.
Can't drink the wine. Mrs. Stopathome, please. I think you might be drunk already.
Oh, well, I don't want to see you. I want another doctor to come out. And not of you having an affair with someone who's supposed to be. I don't know. Not of my husband's having an affair with your wife.
Mrs. Stopathome,
I bet you're in on it as well.
I assure you I am not. This is news to me. Are you breathing? Put the wine down, Mrs. Stopathome. Are you breathing okay?
I've got really bad chest pain.
Be sy'n digwydd? Wyt ti'n iawn?
Na, dydw I ddim yn iawn. Dydw i'n anadlu yn gyflym iawn. Mae gen I poen hefyd.
Eisteddwch lawr. Anodd i mewn. 1, 2, 3, 4, allan. 2, 3.
Mae dwi o'n flaming well eistedd I lawr.
O, cymerwch diod o ddŵr. Diod o ddŵr. Cael ddŵr. Na, nid gwyn. Nid gwyn. Mrs. Stopathome. Mrs... Oh, na.